Yo, what's up guys? I'm back with another video. So today we'll be making two white shirts and the designs are both different on both of the shirts. So, like for example, this shirt will have a different design and this other white shirt will have a different design. So the design will be black today, black vinyl, and it's very quick process. And today we're gonna be using the 24 length, so we can have more designs on it. And yeah, let's get straight into it. Okay, so actually today we'll be using the 12 since our design is not a lot. I thought it was gonna be a lot. So the length of this design would be up to 8. So okay, now we grab our scissors and cut it straight across on the line of 8. Well, that's not straight, but it's almost straight. So this is our board before we load it up, and now we're gonna load it up. Okay, so now we have our board, and now we're gonna load it up. And once this light starts flashing, we'll hit it, and it should be good to go. Okie dokie, so now we have our first design. And so what I do is cut out the parts that we don't necessarily need. So there's like 4 designs on here. You can't see it, but you will eventually. So we don't need this one. Okie dokie. Let me just cut this one. Alright, so we're done with the cutting process. Now we have to peel. And so, always from the top left corner, just bring it all the way down. And this is trash. And so now we peel inside of our design. Just like that. So the design is 2 bees. The 2 bees go in front of the... Oh, well, like this, like my shirt. Exactly like that. So this is the last one right here, and this should be our design at the front. 2 bees. Now we're on to the size of the shirt, which is a large. So I use for my designs I use an app called Canva, and it's also has an option where you could you know, make it so it's easier for the machine to know where to cut. And so once I uploaded the image to the app already knows what areas to cut, and basically all I have to do is just put the size on it. You hear my machine in the background. It's making the other design that I have for the other white shirt. So we're just gonna start with this, and then later on start on the next one after. So this would go on the back of the shirt. Everything looks backwards because it's mirrored. I forgot to mention that. So mirrored is an option that the app gives, and mainly you have to do it if you're gonna put it on clothing. But if you would put it on like you know, like a mug or something, you don't have to do it. So like this is backwards. This is backwards, but if you turn it around, this is how you're gonna stick it on to the shirt. But like I said, it's optional. Depends on what design you're doing it on. But for clothing like mine, it has to be mirrored. Because if you don't mirror it, you would have to redo it, and the words would be backwards. So the words are mainly hollow, so that's why you have to peel everything on the inside. That's just for my design. Depending on your design, you can either put it hollow or not, but for this design, it's hollow, so it's more peeling work to do. So this design is also on the back as well. It goes along with the other design we just finished. Yeah, this process is a lot. It's time consuming. So there's like different options to use to make designs on your clothing. So there's sublimation, which we do have, but I never use it. I don't really like it, just because the ink necessarily like fades. And then there's DTF, which is it's similar to this. Printer does all the work, so you send the printer the design, and it prints it out like this. Yeah. We're done with that. We're gonna grab the other. So our heat press is set to 310 Fahrenheit and then 15 seconds. So we're gonna preheat the white shirt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're gonna grab our design that goes in the front. So there's two of them, but we first start with the web lettering. Heat press it for 15 seconds. Process of heat press takes a while. After that, we let it cool for a while. And we peel. Nice, came out nice. Now we grab our other logo in front and put it right in the middle. And he press that. Wait till it's cool. And then we peel it off. Now we go to the back. So this shirt has 3 more designs. Now we're gonna preheat. 1, 2, 3. Grab our designs. Measure it. Okay, now we heat press. Just think this one to go down. Let it cool for a couple minutes. Then we peel it off. Now we're gonna do the sleeve, which I try to do in the middle now. Designs used to be, this design used to be in the back, but we're trying to do it on the sleeve, right in the middle. So we press it down. 5, we got our design right in the middle, on top of where it ends. That would have been bad. And we heat press. And we just got one more design, which would be the size of the shirt, which is large if I'm correct. And we peel. Should be good. Now we're gonna go inside and out of the shirt so we could put this size, and I have to take off this tag real quick. So I'm gonna preheat again. I kind of messed up earlier because this shirt was, this is different material compared to the other one, and it was supposed to, this was supposed to be a different design, but I'll see what I do about it. So we're gonna put our design, heat press for 15, and we should be done with this shirt. Okay, and then we'll grab our next one. I'm gonna preheat it. Alrighty, so we finished our large shirt, and this is the final result. So that's the front, this the back, and the sleeve. So yeah, so that's it for today. And if you guys like the video, like and comment, subscribe, and I will keep making these videos every time I have an order and so. So, thanks.